how to use the campus. The campus is a simple and intuitive classic face-to-face seminars, but also multi-day trainings and e-learning courses that you can register for and participate in. You'll find individual courses, you'll find seminars, and even entire learn path. We'll get to it later. Where do you find the campus? You can use the URL campus.spectra-dresden.de. And if you have an access to the Spectra Cloud, then you'll find an icon where you can access the campus right away. Be careful, one license is only for a single user. So if you need many licenses, do not hesitate to contact us anytime. How to register for the campus? For the first registration, please send an inquiry per mail at campus@spectra-dresden.com. Later, we'll use a registration form, but for the moment, please send your inquiry to this email address. How to use the campus and how to enroll for webinars. For webinars, you'll find over the Spectra homepage under spectra-dresden.com/webinars the current overview of the upcoming webinars. But if you're in the campus itself, you can filter and find the upcoming webinars. When you can enroll, it's an active registration. So you have to really enroll for a webinar, and then you will get a confirmation email and also reminders before the webinar starts. For the courses and e-learnings, you will have to select the course in the campus, enroll, and you then can start right away. You can save anytime and resume anytime. So this is very convenient. If you want to register or if you have a technical issue, these are the contact person at Spectra, which you can contact and send your questions. Here are the actual trainers in the campus. Michael and Ingolf are product managers. They will show and give insights into the products and the functionalities. Henning from after sales will introduce the more technical part, so more for users and applications. Our CEO and myself will regularly present new information around the Spectra universe. You will find under each course and each e-learning path, you will see which is the trainer, and if you have a question in between, then please send your question to campus and inform us on which trainer will forward your question, and you'll be contacted afterwards. So now the most interesting part is, what does the campus look like? Here you can log in, you can select which language you want to use, and then log on right away. First, you will get an overview. Here at the top, you have a quick entry to your courses, and you can also discover the different learning paths. But otherwise, you have everything you can find and need in the menu tabs above. So let's get from tab to tab. The first one is the course catalog. Here is an overview of all the available courses. So you can find everything that's for you. You can filter by category. You can filter by course type. So if it's a webinar or if you would like an e-learning. And you can also filter by level of difficulty for beginner or for advanced. Please note that some advanced courses are first available if you've completed the beginner courses. You will see in the learning path what's required for every course. You can also search for a specific keyword. For instance, if you're interested in a product in particular. In the overview, you will see the current status of your courses. Are you enrolled? Is it a new course? Are you enrolled? Like here, for instance, is it something that you started, which you can resume anytime by clicking here on the play button? Or is it a course that you've completed already? At the top right hand, you will see the course type. Is it an e-learning? Is it a webinar? And then you can access the course anytime by clicking on the title. Click on the course to see the details. The difficulty, the time required to complete the course, and if it's a course that you've already completed, you will see your certificate. You can repeat the e-learning anytime in case you've forgotten anything, and you will always see the trainer. So if you have a question, this is the person that you can contact with your questions. The learning path. The learning paths are a prepared set of courses and webinars structured in a specific order. You can use the filter function here as well, and you can enroll for a learning path. You will see here as well the difficulty level and also the time required to complete the whole e-learning. You can enroll in the learning path, enroll in course, and then you can start right away. Note again that sometimes you will have to complete the first courses before you can go on to the next ones. Start the course, and you can stop anytime, exit the course, and repeat or resume the course. When you've completed a course, sometimes, if it's relevant, you will get a certificate. Please note that certificates are in your name, which means that one license is only for one user. Now, let's go into the media library. In the media library, you will find videos and recordings of the past webinars. All sorts of other downloads, for instance, documents and handouts, can be found in the course itself or in the learning path. Here are some videos. You can start the video here or by clicking on the button. And if there are any downloads, then you can find them in the media library under the relevant document or video. Let's go on to My Courses. Here is your own dashboard. You will see your progress, you will see the courses that you started, the videos and media that you viewed, which webinars you are enrolled in, what you started, and what you completed. You can also filter anytime, and you can resume or restart any e-learning that you want in case you've forgotten anything. This is really your personal overview, so you don't need to filter anew over the course catalog. The last point are the certificates. When some courses or learning paths are completed, you'll get a certificate. Again, not for all courses. The certificate is in your name, as I mentioned, which is why one license means one user. If you need many users, please contact us and contact the campus address so we can create a new user account.